y'all, so I had a sale. It was my birthday month, and you guys, thank you so much for your support. And so today I'm going to share with you some of the orders that I received over the weekend of my birthday and how I packaged them. Hey y'all, it's time for us to package some orders. So this is going to be a longer video than I usually record, but I just wanted to just show you guys a little bit behind the scenes on what I do. It is 4 a.m. I recently had a sale, and so I had some orders to come over the weekend. And normally when the orders come in, I ship them out the same day if I receive them by 12 o'clock or the next day. But these orders came like Saturday night, Sunday. So this is Monday morning, and I am getting ready to package everything to ship them out today. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just logging into Shopify, and I am going to print out all of the shipping labels, and also I am printing out all of the packing slips. So I do that first, and then I go ahead and start packaging all of the orders. If you've seen my previous video, you know that I pre-package my journals just so that it saves me time and I don't have to keep, starting from scratch, putting all of the journals together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything, please leave them in the comments below. And also, if there's anything else that I need to comment or tell you guys in the video, I'll jump back in and talk to you guys. So sit back and enjoy the video. Okay, so this is the paper that I use for my labels, my shipping labels. I do not have a Dymo label printer, just because, I'm still in the beginning phases and I did not want to make that initial investment. So as you see here, I am just using my regular printer, and I place the paper face down, the label paper, and I get these from Amazon, and it comes with two labels on each page. So I just feed them in to the printer, and then I just print out the labels just like that. So I don't have any issues with it. It's pretty easy, and when it's time for me to upgrade to get the Dymo, then I'll get the Dymo. But until then, this works for me. These are my new Manifesting Babe t-shirts. They are new to my website, and so I am now packaging my first shirt. I am going to have another video that I'm going to share with you all, just so you guys can see how I prep them all. This particular shirt design and size I did not have already packaged, so you're seeing me starting from scratch to put it together. But in my next video, you'll see how I am going to pre-package them and get them ready, so that whenever I have an order to come in, I can already have them ready to go. And the clear cellophane bags, I got that from Amazon. I do not remember the dimensions off the top of my head right now, but if you do need the dimensions of this bag, just leave it in the comments below, and then I'll respond to you. I would have to check my Amazon order history to see exactly which size I ordered. So I'm just sliding it in because packaging is everything to me. So I'm making sure it looks nice and neat. Okay, so now I am taking my business card and thank you card, which is a bookmark. I'm going to add that to the package as well. And I also like to add sweet treats to all of my orders as well for my customers. part of my packaging, I do add a sticker to my journal boxes, and also I add them to the exterior of the poly mailers. So when you receive your order, you'll see your sticker on it, so you know it's from me. So right now I am writing a handwritten note. I write a note on all of my orders because I really want to just let my babes know that I appreciate their support and that you did not have to shop with me, but you did anyways, and that I am forever grateful for. And I just want to show a little bit of appreciation by writing a handwritten note. Okay, so now I'm going to move over to a journal order, and as you can see, it's already pre-packaged. The only thing I need to do is put the packing slip in here. The journal does come with a pin. It comes with a journal charm, and I add a bookmark and my business card in there, so it's already ready to go. So yeah, so as you can see, I just go and add a packing slip to the order, and then I package it up. And this particular journal was a gift for someone, so I did not actually write a note in there. The person who purchased it actually wrote their own note, so I just left that and put that in there. So yeah, if you want to give this journal as a gift, just make sure that you put in the notes that this is for a gift, and I'll make sure that I won't put, the actual packing slip with the cost of the item in there. So yeah. And I think I mentioned this in my previous video. This poly mailer is huge, I know, but I am just going to go ahead and use them up. I do know what size that I need to order in the future that will properly fit my journal box. But in the meantime, this is what I have to do, you guys. I have to wrap up this thing like it's a present because I ordered the wrong size. So I had no idea it was going to be this huge, but hey, it is what it is. Just gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to drop your Instagram account in the comments below so we can support one another. And you guys, if you have any requests for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And thanks again for watching.